Hi, welcome to the second portion of the extension tool tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to set up autofill with profile rotation as well as auto add to cart with a sizes priority list and auto checkout. First, we will start by opening the autofill page. And now we'll be going through how to create a profile. We start with naming our profile. For this one, we will name it test. Then we can enter our regular billing info with the option of entering a Discord username that we would like to be used in an autofill situation. Once our profile is ready, we press the Save button. Once we see that the inputs have cleared, we see that our profile has been saved. When we load up the profile, we are given the option to either delete our profile or to make changes to it. To make a change, we can edit any input we like and press the Resave button. Now we have created at least one profile, we can start using the profile rotator. When we want to add a profile into our profile rotator, we simply select it here, and then we can choose how many times we want to use this profile with a minimum of one use. If we leave it blank and add the profile task, our profile uses will be set to infinity. Note that a use is counted after successful checkout only. Moving on to our settings page. Here is where we first have to enable autofill. We also have the option for our data to be typed rather than pasted into the input by selecting the Enable Typing. Once you enable the Auto Add to Cart, a sizes priority list will appear. There you can input your desired sizes in a list, with your most desired size being at the top of the list. Let's say you want to auto add to cart a size 12, but a size 11.5 is acceptable. You simply add the size 12 first, and then the size 11.5 after. This way, the extension will try to add a size 12 to cart, and if it's unable to do so, it will add a size 11.5 to cart. We can also enable the random size selection after priority sizes. This will select a random size if none of the sizes in the priority list are available. And finally, when we enable auto checkout, this will cause the extension to auto checkout whenever it detects that you're in a checkout page. To save these settings, we must press the Save Settings button. Once we see that the button has changed to Reset Settings, we know that our settings have been saved. With our Auto Add to Cart, Autofill, and Auto Checkout, our extension fully automates the online purchase process and our Discord monitoring. You can catch any restock, shock drop, or regular release with a Discord monitor and fully check out a product without doing anything or even being at your computer. Our extension fully supports auto add to cart, autofill, and auto checkout on hundreds of sites, including all Shopify sites. If you ever find a site that isn't supported by our extension, simply ask us and our team will add it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.